Hey everyone, so today we're putting this exhaust on that car. Actually tomorrow we're putting this exhaust on that car, and I'm not doing it, I'm paying a shop to do it because we got to make a cut and a weld. It has the single exit exhaust. I think it looks ugly, so this is really going to clean it up a lot. I want it to have that stock GTI look, so to do that, alright, there she is. It is the rear diffuser, or some call it a rear valance, from a Mark 6 GTI. Now I bought this new off Amazon. It had good reviews for fitment, but I do know fitment tends to be a problem with these. So unfortunately we actually can't put on until this exhaust comes off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to load up this exhaust, I'm going to load up this valance, and we're going to bring it to a local exhaust shop. So we do have to make one cut right here. This part is different than how the TDI configuration is for the actual exhaust muffler itself, or this muffler right here. But this right here, we can still use these two hangers and that should work fine. So we have to do one cut there, and it should fit in perfect right here. So here's what it looks like before. And this is what it looks like after. Now that really cleaned the car up. I'm super pleased with how that came out. Now as you can see here, I didn't realize this, the old valance from the single exit exhaust does not fit in here. This is about 12 bucks from ECS Tuning. You guys need to pick that up. But it just looks so much better. Definitely a good purchase. Super cheap. Again, you're reusing someone else's dual exhaust. Now another thing I'll note is you can see right there, this is actually a 3-inch exhaust and this is 2 1/4. That's a huge difference. So the exhaust shop had to eat it up with a clamp and some exhaust sealant, which we don't recommend. If I want to do it correctly, we would have done a transition here. So it is actually a different diameter exhaust, just to note. But again, I think it just looks amazing. Now this is pretty popular on the forums, so if you guys have any questions, definitely let me know and I'll give you a shout out.